Ready for the unveil? Oh, oh no. New dawn, it's a new day. Gonna get back into this project. Getting the grinder out. I just got a grinder. I'm gonna go at this. So, wish me luck.
You know, they're not that comfortable, and there's not that many creature comfort features that are going to make the car nice and accommodating. And I'll tell another story about that customer and some others at one point, because that was the owner to buy a car from another manufacturer certified
Scrape the way up there. Oh, yep, see that hole? See that? Okay. So, it's got me thinking. Maybe I should just get rid of that whole piece right there. What does it do? Keep water out of there? I'll improve upon this design here. Screw that metal. Here's an example of just how dirty this car is. That's dirt in those holes. You're supposed to be able to see through those. Okay, so I've sprayed all the dirt out and all the rust out. And I could do a final cleaning, of course, afterward, but I am just about ready to hit this with the sandblaster. But the sun's setting, and it's getting cold, so I think I'm going to do that tomorrow. Alright, so I've sprayed with air multiple times to clean everything off. I have put up a tarp so that hopefully none of the sand goes in that direction. Taped off the speakers so speakers don't get covered in sand. Other than that, I'm just gonna send it. Okay. I'm gonna put this piece of paper over here. Trace this shit out. It's gonna sit, match up right there. It's gonna match up down here. A bit of an angle. It's gonna kind of the corner. It's gonna be pounded in down here. Okay. Let's do this. So I finished up these two plates. My only good welds are there, and put down a good bead there. So, I mean, the rest is, you know, it's ugly, but it got the job done. Over there, same thing. I'm gonna cut the plate for that one out of some thinner steel. I've gone in, I've made a paper template for this, cutting it out right now. This metal might be a little thin, but whatever. Going with it. I'm tired. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Tomorrow, I'm gonna throw a wire brush on that baby. I'm gonna wire brush everything, get it all cleaned up so that we can paint it, prime it, well, wrong order. Prime it, then paint it. After I prime it, paint it, then I've got my ISC coilovers to throw on there. Then I gotta take it for an alignment, and we are ready to race. Lining up a race right now with a older Polaris Razor, so super excited about that. That should be a good throwdown. Got it out, WRX versus the Polaris Razor. I can't wait. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow for primer, paint, coilovers. Stay safe, and